You guys have been emailing me lately about what I think the big changes are for affiliate marketing in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to break down some of the main differences and some of the new things I see coming along the pipeline here. But before I break those things down, if it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now specifically in this video, I'm going to talk about two major differences in the affiliate marketing world this year coming down the pipeline that I see is going to be a big shift. And let me be clear, I'm not talking about like the big affiliate marketing gurus selling courses and trying to sell you a bunch of that stuff's going to always happen forever and ever, because wherever there's a need, there's always going to be an audience that wants to buy that need. Supply and demand, right? So gurus are always going to keep selling their courses. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the actual practitioners, the people who are actually doing affiliate marketing. What are some of the major differences that are going to shift in the industry? I'm doing affiliate marketing myself. That's one of the big differences between me and all the other people selling courses. And I'm pretty proud of that fact, because a lot of them do not actually do affiliate marketing. They just teach you how to do it, and that's how they make all their money. But that being said, here are the two biggest differences. Let's start with number one. Number one is you have to become great. All affiliate marketers this year and beyond have to become great at creating offers. What do I mean by creating offers? I think the days of just getting your affiliate link, putting it in front of a bunch of people, and hoping for the best are long gone. I think that the industry, unfortunately, the people who are trying to do affiliate marketing, getting started doing all this stuff, unfortunately, they're being bombarded by competition. As happens with any way of making money online or any way of making money ever in history, eventually people find out about it, eventually people all flock to it, and you have millions and millions of people doing it overnight. And of course, these gurus, all the people selling courses and all the big dreams and stuff, they are partly responsible for this big surge in every mom and pop on the planet trying affiliate marketing now. However, what that's done is it's created a big problem of everyone and their grandma can grab affiliate links, and everyone and their grandma can put those affiliate links all over the internet trying to make money by having someone click on them and receiving a commission for it. So that means monstrous amounts of competition for you, especially if you're just starting off. I've been doing affiliate marketing myself for the last 5 years or so, maybe more. And I can tell you, there is a lot of competition. Everything that I promote, everyone says, well, other people are promoting those too. So what made it so that I still made a good 10K per month plus from my affiliate offers and the things that I promote? What made that possible? It's very simple. I got really good at creating not just an affiliate product and like, hey, go buy an affiliate product from me, blah, 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 but creating an offer. Now, what is an offer? An offer is essentially taking that affiliate product that you're promoting and adding free bonuses to it, but not just any free bonuses, because a lot of people are just really lazy with this. My dog in the background. A lot of people are really lazy with this stuff, is that they'll just slap in any free bonus on the planet. They'll slap in PDFs that they copied off somebody else, private label rights. Those things are terrible, or like free YouTube videos or something. These are terrible, terrible, terrible bonuses that are an attempt to try to make your offer stand out, right? You do need to make your offer stand out in the marketplace amongst all these other affiliates, but this is a horrible way to do it. You don't want to just throw in everything but the kitchen sink inside of your offer. Instead, what you want to do is you want to create an offer stack that is truly, truly valuable to the exact clientele or customers that you're trying to attract to your affiliate product. What do I mean by that? I mean that the correct offer and the correct bonus stack aimed at the single mom who is super busy and has like an executive job trying to lose weight is going to be different than aiming that same offer, right, to the construction worker who used to be a sports athlete and now they put on a lot of pounds and they just don't have the time or money or resources or anything to get to the gym and do all this stuff and try to lose weight. The offer stacks are going to be different for each audience that you're targeting. So first thing that you have to do is you have to figure out who is the audience you're actually targeting. Then, when you nail down exactly who that is, it becomes a million times easier to put together an offer or bonus stack around your affiliate product that says, hey, single mom who has the busy job, or hey, construction worker who, is never home for his kids, or whatever, right? Just make up whoever it is that you're targeting. Hey, person, this specific offer specifically speaks to you. I'll give you an analogy. Let's say you go to Times Square in New York City, right? And you go up to the highest, point, which is probably a really tall building. Let's say a street lamp, okay, or something like that. And you say, hey, everybody, right? Everybody is just going to ignore you. That's how busy Times Square is, and that's how many crazy people are walking around New York. They're just going to think, oh, there's another Looney Tune person. They're just going to ignore you, right? So instead, if you were to climb to the top of that, stoplight or whatever, and you say, hey, John Smith, only John Smith is going to turn around, right? That's the internet. That's a perfect analogy of the internet. If your message, your content, your exact, whatever it is you're putting out there is saying, hey, John Smith, and then when they look at your landing page as an affiliate and they see, hey, here's a perfect offer stack, bonus stack specifically for you, John Smith, that'll help you achieve that result that you're looking for. Now you stand out amongst all of the other affiliates on planet Earth, because you are the only affiliate marketer with that specific offer nobody else has. So moving forward in 2023 and beyond, because the industry has become so flooded with everyone and their grandma doing this affiliate marketing stuff, buying Legendary Marketer's $7 garbage and going around and promoting it with affiliate links, everyone can do that. And that's why you're not making any sales, because you don't have your own specific and unique offer for your own specific and unique people. So inside of the affiliate franchise, it's just one of the many things that we help our clients do, is to come up with their very own specific and unique offers. And because of that, when you create this just one time, that means that the offer and the message do all of the heavy lifting for you, so that you don't have this problem of, oh, I have to post 16 TikToks a day in order to get attention. That's nonsense. You don't have to do that. I have one of the smallest followings out there, and I make over 40K per month. And that's not me just tooting my own horn or whatever. That's me saying it's all about how you stack the offer. It's all about using your message to do all of the heavy lifting for you. You have to get very precise and exact, not about doing a whole lot of work, but doing the exact right type of work. That's how you get the mostly passive income. Now, what's number two? Number two is that so many courses out there, so many programs, so many gurus tout this, hey, you can get started for free. You can get started for free. You can get started for free. And even though technically they're not wrong, you can. Anyone can just have a camera like this and start shooting YouTube videos, or use their phone and start posting 87 TikToks a day and do this organic marketing stuff. Anyone can do that, right? And a lot of gurus are telling people to do that. It's the people who are going to be able to master advertising in 2023 and beyond, using Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, etc. for affiliate marketing, with what I said before, with the specific offer stacks and everything like that. It's the people who will be able to master a system like that will have infinite scale, and you'll have no competition whatsoever. Most of the gurus do not teach or show you how to do ads at all. Number one, because they'd be making their own competition. Think about it. The gurus are usually running ads, right? So they don't want to teach you how to run ads, because then they'd be creating their own competition. And the more people running ads on a specific subject or keywords and things like that, the more ad costs start to rise. So they're not interested in teaching you how to do ads. They want to keep that to themselves. Second of all, they're not interested in teaching you how to do ads, because that would also mean that they would scare away a lot of people, because ads have this whole negative connotation now where it seems super complicated, but it's really not. Ads are no different than organic or free content that you can post out there. It's no different. All it is the same stuff, but with money behind it, doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And again, yes, ads can be tough if you don't have the right message, the right targeting, the right content, the right offer stack, the right things in place in order to get those ads to not just make money, but to scale up and start making serious money. That means that you can just come back and check your ad account once a week, maybe for an hour here and there, tweak things, see what campaigns are working, what campaigns are not working, write out your emails, do those things, and that's it. That's your entire job as an affiliate marketer. You have this mostly passive stream of income. You have the ads running right, the message and the offer stack is running right, and your affiliate commissions are coming in through the back door. Okay, that's where I see this whole thing moving forward in 2023 and beyond. All this flood of all these people with no money trying to do this stuff, thinking that they're experts overnight because they bought a $7 course, that's nonsense. That's not going to work for the majority of people. What you need to do is have a unique offer, and you need to be good at running ads, because you're going to have to smash this competition. All the other people are posting stuff all day for free. You got to be able to get in front of more eyeballs. The loudest person in the room is going to win the argument, right? Unfortunately, if you're quiet and you're in the corner talking to yourself, no one's going to hear your side of things. So that's where affiliate marketing is going. And again, this is stuff that we're showing people, and we're walking you through it hand in hand. We're opening up your ad account. We're showing you how to set up your ads. We're showing you how to make your offer unique and giving you bonus stacks and things like that inside of the affiliate franchise. So if you want to talk to our team and get your game plan together, and we'll talk about working together, click on the link down below in the description, and I will show you what that looks like. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.